Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I've got these beautiful delicate snowflake molds that I want to play with today, and I'm not sure what color I want to do. I almost want to just do clear, which seems really boring. Maybe I'll do like a light blue, like a light blue alcohol ink color. I think maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided. So, another super simple one. I hope it's okay with you guys. Like I said previously, I'm kind of pre-filming a bunch of stuff so that I have some time to take off at the end of the year. So, yeah, these are going to be a little fiddly to pour. I'm going to have to spray a lot of alcohol into these before pouring the resin in, just to kind of combat those bubbles, but I'm excited to see how they turn out. Clearly I've poured this mold before, but I don't honestly remember what it looked like or how they turned out, so it's like a whole new mold. Yes, sorry about that. Anyway, all right, let's get the resin warmed up, get it mixed up, and let's go. These are cured, and as I was pouring them, I obviously realized why I hadn't pulled these back out in a very, very long time. These are so hard to fill without making just an absolute mess of the mold, of your table. Just so much cleanup on aisle this mold. Like, there's just so much extra stuff in here. I mean, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful, right? It's just so much, like extra little bits that you gotta now, like, struggle to clean out of this. I don't know. Yeah. They're beautiful. They do make beautiful snowflakes, but I just don't know that it's worth the extra fuss that you have to take, because this is gorgeous. But almost every single one of these has a little bit of extra resin in it that now I have to take the time to clean out. Like, you could see it right there. Ugh. Anyway. Oh, that one's really pretty. Get rid of that little bit of extra. And this little bit of extra. Just... Look, I have the patience for making 3D UV resin Christmas trees. I do not have the patience for this. I just broke it. I don't know why I don't have the patience for this. Can this even be salvaged? Oh. I was going to say that maybe I broke it because there was a bubble, but there wasn't. It was just me being too rough with the fragile. I mean, I can use some UV resin, obviously, to fix that, and I will for the glamour shots, but I mean, you could see on the back, just all of the holes are filled with resin. I love the color, though. I do love the color. I think the color's beautiful. You know what? I'm just going to leave this here because I'm just going to use this to set this on so I can fix it. Like all these itty bitty little pieces, you know, just... Anyway, that's today's frustrating video. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I do not know. But they're beautiful, and I will clean them out and put them on the tree. But I just don't know. Here's the thing. Looking at these now, these would make excellent coasters, because they would allow the moisture to, you know, drip through, which is not exactly what you want a coaster for. You want it so that it doesn't drip through to your table. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Happy Christmas.